Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very crucial step in growing within your financial journey, which is one of the biggest things when it comes to purchasing real estate is going to be questions to ask when choosing your next lender. So in this video, we'll go over some key questions that you need to write down to make sure that you ask the lender that you're considering working with. So we'll go ahead and get started and not waste any more of your time. So first, you want to start with some general questions. Like, for example, number one is going to be, what are the certain kinds of loans and the certain terms that you provide? So that could be asking, what is the APY? What is the shortest and long term? What are the benefits of each? And what are some creative programs that they are signed up with that they can do, whether it's closing costs or down payment assistance or anything like that? What are some creative ways that can benefit you as a borrower? Question number two is what currently is today's interest rate? And with different loan products, how does that change what the interest rate may be? When you're talking about in the real estate world, an FHA loan, usually interest rate is lower than what a conventional loan might be. But does it make more sense depending on what your credit score may be at to decide which loan product it goes at? And then you can also talk with them and talk with your real estate agent to decide which loan is the more competitive loan in today's real estate market. Question number three, which is absolutely huge, is what are the fees associated with that loan and if there is any prepayment penalties. So this is very important because a lot of times I'll recommend clients to, instead of going for a 15-year mortgage, go for a 30-year mortgage and make a 15-year kind of payment. So that way your payment's going to be lower on the 30-year, but then you're paying a little bit extra towards principal. And if the lender has some sort of prepayment penalties, that could really bite you in the long run, and it could be even more expensive to do it like that, which if you have a trusted lender, the trusted lender will be able to let you know that, and they have to disclose those kinds of things, and you'll be able to run the numbers to decide what makes sense for you and your situation. Question number four is what is the minimum credit score and what kind of income do I need to qualify for this certain type of loan? So there are many different loan products, and specifically with a conventional loan, for example, there are many different kinds of creative products within that conventional loan. For example, if you meet the income requirements, you may be able to put as low as 1% down with a conventional loan by either getting grants or being below the AMI of your area. AMI stands for annual median income. Or if you're a first-time home buyer, you can put 3% down on a conventional loan. But also, if you have a very high income and you're wanting to go for more of an expensive house, sometimes an FHA loan limit, you may be looking for a house that is above that. Or same thing with conventional, you may have to switch up the kinds of loans or the different loan products that you may be looking at. So the next thing that you want to find out is what documentation does this lender need in order to give you a pre-approval letter. So usually they'll just need your bank statements, your tax returns, but sometimes some different lenders may need different creative things. That isn't usually normal depending on the certain loan product that you're trying to get. For example, if you are trying to get a VA loan, of course they're going to need some sort of proof that you're a veteran. Which, if you're trying to get an FHA or conventional, if you're a veteran, that's irrelevant. Another really important factor when choosing your lender is what is their preferred method of communication and how fast can you expect a response from them? The reason why that's super important is because if we see a house that you like that comes up on the market and it may be a little bit higher than what you are pre-approved for, but you think you might be able to get it, you might need to run some numbers just to make sure that you're comfortable. We need to be able to get after them and get a new pre-approval letter if necessary, or if they need to run some numbers for you on what a property may look like, we may do that. In today's climate, sometimes properties sit on the market for 60 days, sometimes they go within the first week. So it's really imperative that we have a good lender that if we need to move extremely fast, we have somebody that can move at our pace and also understand what we are needing and get it to us in a timely manner. So make sure you write those questions down because those are very important whenever choosing your next lender. Here in the Louisville, Kentucky market, I do have a lender that I partner with that I absolutely love to work with. They are a mortgage broker. And so in short terms, what that means is they can pull your credit, your income, and gather all your documents one time, and then they have multiple different lenders that they partner with. So they're able to take your credit, all your income, and all that stuff one time, and they'll be able to shop it around to multiple people so that way they can get you the best possible rate. And they also are within my office, so if anything goes wrong, I can walk right around the corner and work to get it fixed and getting stuff straightened out. And lastly, we do have a competitive edge because they are more than willing to call the listing agent whenever we are offering on a property and ensure that you are a creditworthiness strong buyer, which makes the listing agent feel more comfortable, but also puts confidence in the seller that you're an actual buyer, that you're serious, and that you have executed all the things that the lender's needing to make sure that you're a strong borrower and you're ready to buy the house. Thank you for watching. I really hope that these questions can help you navigate your whole process when it comes to choosing your next lender for your next real estate transaction. It's super important. And if you found this video helpful at all, I'd really appreciate it if you all left comments down below. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe for more real estate content. If you all are looking to move into the greater Louisville area, I am licensed in Louisville and Indiana, and I can help you with property management, residential, and commercial. Anything you need, I'm always here. Have a great day and good luck finding your next lender.